Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's dive deep into the world of null values in Relational Database Management Systems, RDBMS. This tutorial will cover what nulls are, why they exist, how they behave, the problems they can cause, and how to handle them effectively, along with practical code examples. 1. What is a null value? In RDBMS, a null value represents missing or unknown data. It is not the same as zero, an empty string, or whitespace. It's a special marker that indicates the absence of a value in a particular column for a specific row. Asterisk missing data asterisk the value is genuinely not known or available at the time the data is stored. Asterisk not applicable asterisk the value doesn't make sense for a particular row. For example, the spouse_name column might be null for single employees. Asterisk unknown asterisk the value exists but is not yet recorded in the database. 2. Why use null values? Asterisk completeness asterisk allows you to represent incomplete information without having to insert a placeholder that might be misleading. Asterisk flexibility asterisk handles situations where data might not always be available for all records. Asterisk data integrity asterisk prevents the introduction of incorrect or misleading information. Asterisk data modeling asterisk more accurately reflects the real-world entities you're trying to represent in your database. 3. How null values behave, key characteristics. The behavior of null values is crucial to understand, as it deviates from standard arithmetic and logical operations. Asterisk comparison asterisk you cannot directly compare anything to or with null using standard comparison operators, equals, 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 equals. Any direct comparison with null will always evaluate to unknown, which is treated as false in where clauses and other Boolean contexts. Asterisk arithmetic operations asterisk any arithmetic operation involving null will result in null. Example 5 plus null is null. Asterisk string concatenation asterisk most RDBMS also return null when you concatenate a string with null, example ABC null is null. Some RDBMS have functions to handle this explicitly. Asterisk aggregation functions asterisk most aggregate functions, like sum, average, count, min, max, typically ignore null values in the calculation. Count, asterisk, counts all rows, including those with nulls in some columns, while count, column_name, counts only non-null values in that column. Asterisk indexing asterisk null values are typically not indexed by default. You might need to create specialized indexes to include nulls if you frequently search for them. 4. Working with null values in SQL. Here's how you handle nulls in SQL using specific keywords and functions. Asterisk is null and is not null operators asterisk these are the only reliable ways to check for null values. Asterisk coalesce, function asterisk this function returns the first non-null expression from a list of expressions. It's extremely useful for replacing nulls with default values. Asterisk nulliv, function asterisk this function returns null if two expressions are equal, otherwise, it returns the first expression. It's useful for preventing division by zero or handling specific data scenarios. Asterisk case statements asterisk you can use case statements to conditionally handle null values based on other column values or conditions. Asterisk count, versus count, column_name, asterisk asterisk. Asterisk constraints, not null, unique nulls. Asterisk not null constraint asterisk ensures that a column cannot contain null values. Asterisk unique nulls, database specific in some databases, example PostgreSQL, SQL Server, you can define that only one null value can exist in a unique column. This helps enforce that if the value isn't known, it's truly unknown and not just filled in with null repeatedly. Standard SQL doesn't have this, so it's usually database-specific syntax. In other systems, setting unique on a column which has nulls stored in it, will allow multiple null values to be stored. 5. Potential problems with null values. Asterisk ambiguity. Asterisk null can mean different things depending on the context: missing, not applicable, unknown. This can lead to confusion and misinterpretation. Asterisk unexpected results. Asterisk the unique behavior of nulls in comparisons and calculations can lead to unexpected results if not handled carefully. Asterisk data quality issues. Asterisk excessive use of nulls might indicate poor data collection or data management practices. Asterisk reporting issues. Asterisk reports that don't properly handle nulls might display inaccurate or misleading information. Asterisk complex queries. Asterisk dealing with nulls often requires more complex SQL queries with coalesce, case, or is null conditions, increasing code complexity and potential for errors. Asterisk null propagation. Asterisk in complex calculations, one null value can propagate through the entire expression, leading to a null result for the entire calculation. 6. Best practices for handling null values. Asterisk understand the semantics. Asterisk clearly define what null means for each column in your database schema. Document the meaning of null in your data dictionary. Asterisk use not null constraints. Asterisk apply not null constraints to columns that must have a value. This helps enforce data integrity and prevent missing data. Asterisk replace nulls with meaningful defaults. Asterisk when appropriate, use coalesce or other methods to replace nulls with default values that make sense for your application. For instance, setting a default address of unknown if the user hasn't provided one. Asterisk validate data inputs. Asterisk implement data validation logic to prevent users from entering null values when a value is required. Asterisk handle nulls in reporting. Asterisk design your reports to handle nulls gracefully. Use coalesce or case statements to display appropriate values or messages. Asterisk consider alternative solutions. Asterisk sometimes, using a separate table or a different data modeling approach might be better than relying heavily on null values. For example, instead of having a nullable discount underscore code column, you could have a separate discounts table and link it to the orders table. Asterisk document and communicate. Asterisk clearly document how null values are handled in your database schema and application code. Communicate these conventions to all developers and data users. Asterisk use database-specific features. Asterisk take advantage of any database-specific features for handling null values, such as the unique nulls not distinct constraint in PostgreSQL. Asterisk test thoroughly. Asterisk test your queries and applications thoroughly to ensure they handle null values correctly in all scenarios. 7. Code examples. Illustrative. Let's create a simple example database and table to demonstrate these concepts. We'll use a SQL-like syntax. Most of these commands will work across many RDBMS with minor adjustments. 8. Conclusion. Null values are an important part of RDBMS for representing missing or unknown information. However, their unique behavior requires careful handling in SQL queries and application code. By understanding the nuances of nulls and following best practices, you can avoid common pitfalls and ensure the integrity and accuracy of your data. Remember to document your null handling strategy and test thoroughly to ensure your application behaves as expected.